thing I just came across. They actually have found large reservoir of water on Mars. Now, water on Mars is a topic that's been in mainstream media for quite a while, but they have gotten more information, narrowed down the level of water that's on Mars. Now, what they use is basically the probe that they have on Mars is using seismic activity, like sonars, to detect water beneath the Earth's not Earth Mars surface. So it's anywhere between 7 to 13 miles deep. What they're saying now, archaeologists, is that the amount of water that they found could cover Mars up to 1 to 2 miles of its surface. So that's a lot of water. But getting to it is almost impossible because digging basically 1 kilometers here on Earth is, it takes a lot of work. So getting to the water on Mars would be pretty much almost impossible. But what they're basically saying is that during the disappearance of dinosaur here on Earth was the same time the water on the surface of Mars disappear. So this is what I'm thinking, and it's not far-fetched. According to what they're saying, how the dinosaur disappear, I think there's a lot more to the story than what they're telling us. Because whatever affect Earth also affect Mars. This explosion that affect Earth also affect Mars. So if this happened, this is telling me it's not an asteroid. The only thing I can see that makes sense to me is a planetary body, another planet or another moon. So whatever impact happened to Earth that destroyed the dinosaur also affected Mars and affected the water on Mars. So basically, Mars had some form of cataclysmic event that changed the planet for what it is now. So it is an interesting find. That's why I want to share it. I know water on Mars topic is something, as I said before, pretty much everyone know about it, but it's the level of water that they're finding. The amount of water they found, as I said, it can cover Mars, the entire planet, up to 2 miles, anywhere between 1 to 2 miles. I'll say 2, and to get to it, man, woof, it's literally in the core of that planet. So it had changed the whole dynamic of how basically people like NASA, geologists, the way they view Mars. Mars basically, to me, was no different than Earth. But the water on Mars is actually thicker than the water on planet Earth. Reason why is because they actually have an extra proton in the hydrogen. Remember, water is hydrogen and oxygen. So the water on Mars have an extra proton. So I just thought that was great information, and I just want to share it. And I hope this is something that you guys seem fit and enjoy. Thank you again for always watching the video. Thank you for sharing my video. And if you're not subscribing to my page,